ahoy mateys, it's Dazzlinglatte and welcome to another grocery haul. Not a grocery haul, it's a hair dyeing video. Midnight Indigo Splat. It's Splat brand Midnight Indigo.
Okay, so this is the finished product. Okay, so it is a little bit, it's like a purpley blue, and I did already have some blue in there, so it kind of like blue and purple or blue, you know what I'm trying to say. It turned it a bright purple. I did have it like bleached towards the bottom, like I had it blonde, so you can see that it's, yeah, it's definitely a purple color, like a deep dark purple, and I think it looks really cute, and I feel like I look like sort of like a comic book character or something. Midnight Indigo, I actually really like it. As with all Splat hair dyes, it does get all over your hands, it gets all over your face, and definitely definitely do what I always forget to do, and like put some sort of like coconut oil or something around like your face, anywhere where you don't want the dye to be. Put the coconut oil. I did wear gloves and it still somehow got on there. It's from running my fingers through my hair. I know that you know, like a couple of weeks from now it's not gonna be as messy, like it's not gonna come off in my hands as much. Also after I dye my hair, okay, so the first time that I like shampoo it, I always use a coconut shampoo and conditioner. I believe it's Suave brand, and then I end that with like after I get out of the shower and everything and my hair is still kind of wet, I'll put some Salon Selective's nourishing hair oil in my hair, and that helps to like moisturize it, because right now I did not like do my whole hair routine, because putting this in my hair right now but yeah, I really love it. I really love it. Oh my gosh, it's so purple. It's so purple. Oh my gosh, I love purple. Also, the... Oh wait, okay. Well, the lipstick I use is Midnight Blue. When I did my makeup, I did have to put a little foundation on my face because there was still some, like, hair dye on my face that wouldn't come off. But yeah, anyways, so I just decided to put on some lipstick, and I have Midnight Blue. So it's midnight. It all matches. It all matches. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed, and for now I have to go, but until the next time, smooth sailing to you and your pirate crew.